The Amazon rainforest is incredibly old. It is a living, breathing link to a distant past. Scientists believe it began to form around 55 million years ago. This was during the Eocene epoch. At that time, the world was a much warmer place. Imagine a world without ice caps and with tropical temperatures reaching far and wide. This was the environment in which the Amazon began its journey. The Amazon story is one of slow and steady growth. It is a story of adaptation and change driven by the forces of nature. As we delve deeper into the rainforest's history, we will uncover the incredible journey it took to become the awe-inspiring ecosystem we know today. The Amazon is not just a rainforest, it is a time capsule containing secrets of the Earth's past. To understand the Amazon's birth, we must look at the Earth's shifting plates. Millions of years ago, South America was not a separate continent. It was joined with Africa as part of a supercontinent called Gondwana. Over time, forces deep within the Earth caused Gondwana to break apart. This separation formed the South Atlantic Ocean. As South America drifted westward, the Andes Mountains began to rise. This uplift was caused by the collision of the South American plate with the Nazca plate. The rising Andes created a massive barrier, trapping rainfall and creating the conditions for a rainforest to thrive. The Amazon basin, once a shallow sea, slowly transformed into a vast, humid lowland region. With the stage set, the Amazon rainforest began to take shape. The warm, wet climate was ideal for plant life. Fertile soils enriched by the Andes runoff provided nourishment. Over millions of years, a dense jungle emerged. It covered the basin with its verdant embrace. This was not a uniform process. The rainforest experienced periods of expansion and contraction. Climate fluctuations played a significant role in shaping its evolution. During warmer and wetter periods, the rainforest thrived, expanding its reach. Cooler, drier periods led to contractions, with the rainforest shrinking in size. Section 4. Life Finds a Way. Flora and Fauna of the Amazon. As the rainforest grew, so too did the diversity of life within it. Plants and animals adapted to the unique conditions. New species emerged, adding to the richness of this incredible ecosystem. The Amazon became a melting pot of life, a testament to the power of evolution. The rainforest is a symphony of life, with each species playing a crucial role. From the towering kapok trees to the tiny leafcutter ants, every organism contributes to the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The Amazon's biodiversity is its crown jewel, a treasure trove of unique and wonderful life forms. Section 5. The Amazon's delicate balance. The Amazon rainforest is a masterpiece of interdependence. Every plant, every animal, every insect, they are all interconnected. This intricate web of life is what makes the Amazon so special, so vital. The rainforest's delicate balance is essential for its survival. For example, the agouti, a small rodent, plays a crucial role in seed dispersal. They bury seeds for later consumption, inadvertently planting new trees. These trees, in turn, provide oxygen and regulate the climate. This delicate dance between species highlights the interconnectedness of life in the Amazon. Section 6. The Amazon's global impact. Today, the Amazon rainforest stands as a beacon of biodiversity. It plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. The Amazon absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. It is a vital carbon sink, a natural defense against a warming planet. However, the Amazon is under threat. Deforestation, driven by human activities, is causing irreparable damage. We must protect this precious ecosystem, not just for the sake of the Amazon itself, but for the health of our planet. The future of the Amazon, and indeed our own, depends on the choices we make today.